In love, there's no laws, and Raganuga Bhakti is the rule of love. So we follow the law or the way or the path established by our acharyas. We don't create or concoct or imagine a new one. We try to follow their line of meditation. Associates of Krishna that we want to follow. So we meditate on their words, we meditate on their actions, we meditate on their feelings, and we pray to Guru and to these associates that these feelings, these attitudes, these thoughts will become our thoughts, our feelings and our attitudes. This is bhajan. The Guru gives a few rupees and you have to turn it into crores. The Guru, one time someone made an analogy. The Guru is not an elephant. You're in a jungle and you have a machete, or whatever it is. It's like, let me see it. It's like a machete is a long, it has a handle. It's a chopper, and all kinds of weeds. You're going through the jungle, and they're not trees, but weeds and little reeds and weeds and other things, and vines hanging over from trees, blocking your path. You chop it away like this, like an artist. So he said, this is a guru, Indian guru. He said, sometimes disciples have the misconception that on their own, they're walking through the jungle. This is called the forest of material enjoyment in the third canto of Bhagavatam, Kapila Muni. He says this Maya Jagat, this samsara is a forest of material enjoyment. So the sadhaka, the devotee who's trying to get liberated, he has to cut down, he has to walk through the jungle of this material world and cut down all the weeds and brambles and the roots of desire. Cut it all out. So he said, disciples, they think that they're doing this on their own, but they take diksha, then the guru is like it's like a 5 feet tall elephant. 5 meters high, tall elephant. The elephant is big. You put the ladder like this, and you go up like this, and you sit on the top of the elephant. You understand? Punch meter, they're big, a royal elephant. The Raj, whatever they call it, Hati or whatever. So they think the guru is a royal elephant, and when they get diksha, they get up on top and they sit on the elephant of the guru. And they say, okay, Guru, take me through the jungle of material enjoyment. He says, but what do we do? What does the Guru do? He gives a mantra. Because the Indian Guru. So the Guru gives a mantra. And maybe that's all he gives. And then they think, oh, I have Guru, now I'm on easy street. But no, having a Guru, when you surrender the Guru, it means that you're signing a contract. You say, okay, I'm surrendering the Guru, which means I agree to dedicate life after life after life to the service of my Ishta Devata, under the guidance and blessings of my Guru, with the hope and with the desire to attain liberation in Krishna Prem as an eternal loving servant of Radha and Krishna. So you're signing a contract for many lifetimes when you surrender to Guru. Because Guru cannot guarantee, oh, you take Diksha, I give you a 2-year guarantee. Be nice. And maybe some will say that as for selling. But the timekeeper is not the Guru, the timekeeper is Krishna. The one who winds the clock is the Guru. He winds the clock and gives it to you. That when it's going to ring, that's set by Krishna.